I was just on the news and I heard that there was supposed to be earthquakes, but I didn't know. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! There's an earthquake! Earthquake! Oh my god! Oh my Oh my god, that was scary. I hope everybody is okay. I better go check on them. Hopefully there's not an aftershock. Everybody's okay, just there was a lot of damage and the TV is all messed up. I mean, there's like, it's all staticky. But I guess it'll be okay. As long as I'm okay. There's aftershock, aftershock, aftershock. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, aftershock. Oh god, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go because there might be another one. Okay, bye.